Hazrat Ali considered piety as manifestation of piety is the nobility of the world and its inner is the respect of the hereafter. Man zafira ismu bih, over whom sin is overcome, isn't successful. He said, you are ordered to obey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and you are created to perform good deeds. Being content removes grief and sorrow, and there is relief in piety. He advised, generate sincerity in yourself. A little action which is done with sincerity will be better for you. It is narrated, Manittaqallaha haqqa tuqatihi, one who adopts piety according to its full right, Atahullahu unsan bila anisin, wa ghinan bila malin, wa izan bila sultanin. Allah Almighty takes him out of loneliness without companion, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself becomes his lover and makes him wealthy without wealth and grants him respect and status without authority. Man arada an yakuna a'azun nasi falyattaqillaha azza wa jalla. One who wants to get respect among people should adopt piety. Alal aqili an yuhisa ala nafsihi musawihan fi dini wa ra'i wal akhlaqi wal adab. It is necessary for wise person to count the evils which are found in his opinions, morals and ethics. فَيَجْمَعُ ذَلِكَ فِي صَدْرِهِ أَوْ فِي كِتَابٍ وَيَعْمَلُ فِي أَزَالَتِهَا. Then collect them in his chest or a book and acts practically to remove them. مَا جَفَّتِ الدَّمُوعُ إِلَّا لِكَسْوَةِ الْقُلُوبِ. Tears dry due to the hardness of hearts. وَمَا كَاسَتِ الْقُلُوبُ إِلَّا لِكَسْرَةِ الذُّنُوبِ. And the hearts become hard due to the abundance of sins. The person is enviable who spent all his life in the obedience of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Hence do noble deeds according to your effort. Imam Zainul Abidin said, Sadatun nasi fi dunya al askhiya'u wa sadatun nasi fil akhiratil atqiya'u. Generous people are the leader of the world and the pious people are the leader of the hereafter.